it going, guys? We just finished another gorgeous Mercedes Sprinter van. This is the longest one, and look on all details what we made for this one. How you can see, we split the two zone, the front one and the back section with the L bench. Installed the two TVs, one in the back, one in the front. At the front section you can see the two captain chairs right there and two in the middle. The center console for the control models for the all light stereo system LAC unit as well. Install those glass piano black pieces all around. Same on the headliner. And on the back, how you can see, we installed the small bar with the cooler all set, and now it's ready to go.